Hi, Steve here from the AI Marketing School, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can quickly and easily create AI avatar videos to promote any product or service. These can be posted on social media, or for what I'm doing is running Facebook ads, so Facebook lead ads in particular, by creating simple videos like this one.
Right now, the business owner next door is using AI to beat you. Not tomorrow, not next month, right now.
So this is a video essentially for a marketing agency to show UK businesses how they can use AI to promote their business without even showing their face. You can use this for running Facebook ads or just posting on social media. This is just going to be a quick video on how to do this relatively easily. Now I'm using HeyGen for this, but it doesn't have to be on HeyGen. Any AI video model will work well for this. And I'm also going to be using Claude for creating the script for this, but again, you don't have to use Claude. It could be any AI model of your choice. The key is really combining the two to make this seamless, effortless, and you can automate it to run perhaps on a daily basis or a weekly basis, depending on how often you want to create the content. Or you can just create a skill, which I'm going to show you, so that at any point you can go in and create some very easy video scripts. Okay, so you can see here I've actually created a lot of different videos, and many of them are essentially different hooks, different versions of the same.
You're waiting for permission to use AI. Stop waiting. You don't need a degree, you don't need experience, you just need to actually do it.
Now the reason I've used this model is because essentially it performed best in our Facebook ads. I've created lots of different versions, like hopefully this is a different model here.
What if you could do in 1 hour what
This one was not a good video because it was sort of showing the text was over his face, so it's taken a bit of backwards and forwards, taken time to learn this. But the point is, you can work with it to create the type of video you want. And as I say, this guy, he performed best in our Facebook ads. One of our videos clearly outperformed the others. The cost per lead was much lower, so I've just created different versions of that particular ad that I can now run to test against the control, the best performing ad. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So to actually create these, we need a script, and I have this HeyGen script which is already built and saved into my AI, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. And all I've done is I've just asked it here to create, as it says here, 5 video scripts that we can run for the next 3 days. It's got 5 different topics to cover, so AI writing for Facebook ads, stop wasting time on ads, competitors are already using AI. These are all different hooks and different types of videos covering the same topic. So again, I'm just there to test what performs best. And you can see it has quickly, very quickly created 5 different scripts for me that we can now copy into HeyGen. Now from memory, I did actually go backwards and forwards on this because this is quite simple and short. This has just provided the words in the script, but what I want it to do, and what I've asked it to do here, is to provide things like some more pop-ups and visuals appearing on the videos, because these ones are all quite simple really. So let's find another video as an example. These are very simple videos, and again, they're not really the best. Some of them are quite simple. They're just face to camera, but you can see they've got different visuals appearing on the screen. You can go a lot more in depth, and you can have lots of different things happening in the videos, lots of different styles, and I'll just speed this one up. 2.5 speed this one, just to show you. You can see here it's got the text overlaid on the screen, it's got different visuals appearing on the screen just to keep people engaged, as opposed to just having an AI model talking at you. At least it's going to keep them engaged with a bit of text, a few visuals popping up, and I'm sure you can improve upon this. These are quite simple and straight to the point. But the way we can actually improve that is by coming in here and improving our script. So you can see how quick it is. It's created the script for me, and it goes into massive detail with the exact screen, the exact visual that should be on the screen, the graphics, the voice, and all of that is built inside of a skill. So I did this a few times just to refine the process, and I will continue to do so. Once you have done this a number of times and you've got the type of, perhaps this model works well, a different setting works well, or the video type, you can then turn that into a skill. And the way you do that is just by coming into settings. If you go to, let's sort of move this around actually, I think at the bottom of capabilities and skills. You need to get to the skills section, and this one's quite sparse, but you can see here I've got this HeyGen script skill. And what this does is that if you ask it to use the skill, just reference it into your text box when you're chatting with your AI of choice, and you can build it out with everything that you want to get out of the video. So this one here, you can see it tells it the videos are for Facebook lead ads. It's got the details about the call to action. This is the AI avatar that performed best for me. This is the voice that I like to use, the resolution fit for Facebook lead ads. And again, it just tells it more and more about our particular business so that it creates the type of videos that we want. Video lengths being between 15 and 60 seconds. We're testing what hook, call to action, etc. what works best, and then how we actually want the script to look. So I know I'm running through this quickly. It's just a quick overview to show you essentially how to create a skill, how to use it, and how to then copy this into your AI of choice to create videos quite quickly. You can see inside the skill it's got a lot more detail, so this is why you can end up getting quite a good video, because HeyGen has basically created the type of script that we want, and then you can now just copy and paste this into HeyGen. From there, all you do is you go to the new video section, and all you do is you just copy the script. So say for example it's generated this script, you copy and paste it into there as a video concept, and then it will come up with the video that you can run. So I hope that makes sense. If you're not sure, come into the AI marketing group and I'll be here to answer any of your questions.